Earth's rotation. The Earth's movement through space affects life on Earth. We experience day and night because of this movement on the Earth's axis, known as rotation. It takes the Earth 24 hours to rotate one time in which we experience day and night. The Earth's axis is an invisible line that intersects the Earth through the North Pole and South Pole. So to the left, you see a picture of Earth. Here in the center is what we call the axis. It's an imaginary line that goes through the North Pole and South Pole. That is what the Earth rotates on. It rotates counterclockwise. As it rotates, this rotation causes day and night. One complete rotation for the Earth to make a complete spin is 24 hours. So as the Earth turns, as it rotates, that is how we see day and night. In class, we remember it with a little chant. Rotation, rotation, let's talk about rotation. Day and night, the Earth rotates, that's right. Causes day and night, the Earth rotates, that's right. As Earth spins, it makes one complete turn every 24 hours. Whenever our part of the Earth turns to face the sun lights it up, giving us daytime. Whenever Earth turns away from the sun, sunlight can no longer reach us. It gets dark, giving us nighttime. Day turns to night, and night turns to day as Earth constantly spins around. Now we see a picture of Earth as it appears from space. We need to draw the sun on the correct side and draw arrows on the picture to show which direction the sun is shining. And you can see this side appears to be darker than this side. So which side would be day? That's correct. The right side would be day, meaning the left side of Earth is experiencing night. So our sun is going to be on this side, with our arrows showing the direction of the sunlight